Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to make another animation and I'm going to teach you how to make it too. So please follow along with this video. If you don't finish the steps before I go to the next step, you can always pause the video. That's what this video is for. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Dun, 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 dun. So last time we did this project, which came out horrible, but still I hope it came out for you. So this is about the second project I made today. So this is about the second video I made today, sorry. So anyways, let's go ahead and switch back. So we're gonna go ahead and click the create button as usual whenever we're creating a project. And we are going to delete the cat sprite and we can make a different sprite. So for example, we can make a blob. Or maybe we can make a circle and put it in the middle. And it will have a thing. I don't know what this is. Anyways, it says no outline. You can swap it or do whatever you want. Anyways, this is what I will pick. You can pick this one or this one or this one. You can put this one. You can pick this one or maybe this one. I'm not sure how you will do it. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So here's how we're gonna do the code. So there's a when green flag clicked. And we're gonna set the size to 20 and let's go over there. Set size to 20. And now we're going to go to that position wherever the thing is. It looks like a ball. I don't know what that is. Anyways, now I hope this comes properly. I've been trying for many projects, but still, I hope this works. So yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and move on to the next step. So now we're going to point in direction 90 and go to variables and create a new variable called velocity. Okay. Now let's go ahead and move on. So we are going to set that variable to 12. And we don't have to show that. You can hide it. Okay. Now the next step is you have to repeat 16.5. 16.5. Oh, it doesn't come. So let me go ahead and do that. I think it's in my backpack somewhere or something. Well, you can check that video out too. Oh, where is that? Oh, here. Okay, so got that. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are going to be doing the next step. So we change the size and then change this, the variable, by -1. So we have changed size by 10 and changed velocity by -1. So we're going to change this change size by 10 to change size by velocity. Drag that out and put it there. Now put it in the repeat loop. And now let's see what happens. And boom, it's just like boom. Let's try it again. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 222. If size equals if size equals or the size is more than 222. So just in case, if the size becomes too big, boop, oh my god. It's like banging to the wall. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, this is 222. So then we are going to put this like this and like this. And we're going to put it there. This is just in case if it just banging the wall like that. So what we're going to do is we are going to change the size back to 100. And that is how it will look like when you are done. So it's exactly like banging to the wall and then going back to size 100. It's kind of like doing that. Bang, 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 bang. It's like rocking out. Get it? Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and color our backdrop. I'm going to put some music to that. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, change to music. Get the music. Reduce the volume a little bit. Okay, I think that's enough volume. Okay, let's rock on. Dun. Okay, guys, so I hope you like that music. Just got it from somewhere. I just put it in my backpack and bam, I was on the group. I don't know how I got this old scratch cat, but anyways, I just got it. Get it. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I mean, why are we saying get started? Okay, let's end this video. This is so cool. Yeah, that's a very good music. I love it. I mean, it kind of rocks with the ball. It's like bang on the wall. So this project came out to be so cool. It's like bang, 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 boom, bang, 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 boom. It's like the cat is dancing that music and it's bang, 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 boom. It's like so cool. I don't know what to say. Okay, so this is ball banging game. Just kidding. I'm naming it something else. How about rocking ball? Click black. And then love it. I'm gonna say love it. Love. Okay, let's just get out of here, get out of here, get out of here. Okay, and that's the whole scratch video. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial, and I can't wait to see you next time. Everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe if you, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell, and so you don't miss out on any of my awesome, amazing Learn Scratch videos. And also don't forget to follow me if you like these videos so far, and if you want to see more of these. So yeah, bye guys, see you next time. Look at these two things over here. There's 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. And this is also my channel, so please subscribe, click on it, and yeah, subscribe. So yes, over here somewhere, please just click on it and you see that thing, and you can hover over that, then click subscribe, and then move your mouse away, and you have subscribed. You can also scroll down to your YouTube thing, whatever. So here's an example. I was watching this video. If you go down and scroll down, and there is this thing, Learn Scratch. You can just go to it, or maybe you can hit that subscribe button. You can also go to this video, or maybe you can actually like you can click subscribe. You see that button, or if you go to one of the videos, for example, I'm picking random video like my last video, or maybe this video. So sun and moon from top to bottom something. Anyways, here we go. We have this thing. So anyways, you can make a 4th of July fireworks or something. And yeah, so this one is like September. Yeah, I knew it. I made it like last month or something. So anyways, we are going to be doing something now. So we have all these stuff, and you just had to see that subscribe button. For me, it doesn't show, but for you, it probably might. If you check, you will have it, and the subscribe button. So let me go to random scratch video and scratch. Okay, I'm just going to this video. You can click subscribe. You can hit the notification bell like I did, and also, yeah, that's what you're supposed to do. Okay, go back to my channel. Okay, close up. Get out. Get out here. Get out of here. Okay, anyways, that is how you make that is how you make this rocking ball. Yeah, that music with the rocking ball, boom, 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 banging the screen. Oh my god! And this cat is like rocking to it. It's like so funny. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next amazing Scratch Learn Scratch video. Bye guys, see you next time, and